Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to autofill cells in Excel. Why would you want to know how to autofill cells in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Excel. So today I am going to show you how to autofill cells in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now, we have example year, month, day. You have to write the first and the second thing. And then on one click drag them, then pull them down. It will automatically autofill cells. The same here and the years. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to autofill cells in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.